We've just acquired this lovely looking, it's the Vauxhall Astra 2 litre VXR. Lovely condition, absolutely immaculate, unblemished, diamond cut alloy wheels on Michelin tyres all the way around. Full VXR body styling kit, including the higher level rear spoiler and AERO kit, the twin exhausts, bodywork's in stunning condition, boot area with the carpet mats there, full leather interior, electric windows and mirrors, VXR leather steering wheel, gear knob. It's done 757 miles. It's got the satellite navigation, phone, Bluetooth. Absolutely lovely condition. Sport button and VXR button. Cruise control. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.